Mastering Coherence and Flow. The Power of Transition Words in Formal English. Hello there, language learners. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of formal English writing, specifically focusing on transition words and phrases. These magical linguistic tools can significantly improve the coherence and flow of your written pieces. Stay tuned to discover how they can transform your writing from good to exceptional. Firstly, let's get familiar with what transition words are. These are words or phrases that link ideas and bridge the gap between sentences and paragraphs. They guide readers through your text, ensuring that your points follow each other smoothly. Examples include, however, therefore, additionally, for example, and many others. Using them properly can make your writing clear, coherent, and persuasive. When it comes to formal writing, transition words and phrases play an especially crucial role. Formal writing often involves complex ideas and arguments. Therefore, it's essential to guide your reader smoothly from one idea to the next. Using transition words effectively can make the difference between a reader understanding your argument or getting lost in the text. Transition words can be divided into different categories based on their purpose. Some common categories are: 1. Addition. Words like also, moreover, and furthermore indicate that you are adding information. 2. Contrast. Words such as however, on the other hand, and nevertheless introduce a contrast or exception. 3. Cause and effect. Words like therefore, consequently, and as a result show cause and effect relationships. 4. Illustration. Words such as for example, for instance, and namely introduce an illustration or example. Now that we know what transition words are and what they do, let's dive into how to use them to improve coherence and flow. 1. Contextual appropriateness. Choose transition words that fit your text's context. For example, consequently is suitable for cause-effect scenarios, while, on the other hand, is ideal for contrasting ideas. 2. Avoid overuse. Overusing transition words can make your text sound repetitive and distracting. Aim for balance. Use them when needed to guide your reader, but don't overdo it. 3. Vary your choices. To prevent your text from sounding monotonous, use a variety of transition words and phrases. Varying your choices keeps your writing fresh and engaging. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using transition words in formal English writing. Remember, these transition words and phrases are essential tools that can help your writing flow more smoothly and appear more coherent. As always, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to put these tips into action in your next formal writing piece. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.